Install the connection line of the handle. There are a total of 7 shockwave replacement heads. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are for treatment of the body, arms, and legs. Number 5 is for prostate treatment, and number 6 and 7 are for erectile dysfunction treatment. The gray cover and the blue small cover are suitable for work heads 1 hashtag, 2 hashtag, 3 hashtag, and 4 hashtag. The blue big cover is suitable for working head number 5. Gray cover 1 hashtag is used for treatment and bending parts such as shoulders, hips, and things. Gray cover 2 hashtag is used for treatment and curved parts such as wrists, elbow, and knees. Gray cover 3 hashtag is used for large treatment area on the body. Select the appropriate shockwave head for installation based on requirements. To replace the bullet, first use a screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws next to the shockwave head. Then unscrew the shockwave head. Pour out the bullet and the small metal piece. Then put in a new bullet. And then reinstall the small metal piece. Reinstall the shockwave head. And tighten the screws. Connect the power cord and turn on the power button. Choose elbow. Settings. Recommended head type, select according to the yellow text above. Frequency, 3 Hz. Energy, 70 mJ. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Please wait patiently for the handle to cool completely before turning off the machine to avoid damaging the main unit. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.